Hi, I'm Sean, this is Jill, and welcome to 151 Garage. Today, Beast gets new taillights. So, we've had the factory taillights in there for a while. We've wanted to change them out. We like to black out everything on the truck. We found these aftermarket taillights. I'll link them in the description below. They're just basically LEDs. We need something a little bit brighter. We also purchased in the package the third brake light, which is also LED, and we are replacing the reverse lights with LED too. So the whole back of the truck will be LEDs to match, obviously, the 7-inch LED spotlights we have in the back. So Jill will be doing this install, and oh god. Okay, let's get going.
I really need the extender.
You don't. On something.
Crap.
Oh god. You're never gonna find that one.
Yeah, well,
Right there.
Right.
Oh, you're lucky. It's not gonna fall out, Jill.
I know, but come on, puppy. I have like no nails. That's the problem. I can't get behind it.
Here, hang on. Hang on. Hold this for a second.
I have 0 nails. See?
Let's see if this is our trusty tool. So I pulled it off last time. Yeah, because it's going to be, the reverse light is on the bottom of this one, where on the other one it's on the top. So you kind of compensate for that by dropping it underneath this ledge.
Do you want this off?
No, leave that one on. That's fine. So you gotta line up these pins on the top. So. And it takes a little effort to push in there. There you go. And then line up the screws. It should be lined up fairly well. Right there. Right there. Get this one in first a little bit. Just so you don't fight with the other one trying to do it. You're standing up straight again. Very nice. So that's not bad. So now you got one more.
Yay!
Yay! This one should go.
I gotta do that one.
Well, yeah, one more taillight. Okay, I have the other bulb right here, so. That one will be interesting. I haven't taken that one out yet. Look at the concentration on her face. It's wonderful. new paint job. Jeez, such a horrible noise. Stop beating up my truck. That's why I have an extension, so you don't whack the truck with the ratchet. It's okay. It's a work truck. It has a hole in the bed. Thank you for...
Pry bar?
There. No, other side. All you're going to do is just do that.
I might actually have to get this one. I don't have a way to grab it.
Okay. Oh, the gasket.
Yeah.
That's fine. Just take the other one out. You can fix it later. Just let it dangle.
There we go. Put it where we need it. Okay, there's the other OEM light.
Pull the bulbs out. Set it right here so we have it. Just remember we don't miss it.
How did you get this one out? I'm gonna shatter this thing.
Oh, yeah, this one was tough to get out. There you go. Just gets tight again.
Well, they've never been changed in the 7 years we had it.
Yeah.
Where's the other bulb?
Right there. Wrong way. Oh,
Yeah, I gotta.
be able to have 3 hands.
You have to be an octopus to do this.
Look at that, like a pro. Well, you are a pro. You do work in the car business, automotive business, so.
My estimates, I don't actually fix the cars.
Yeah, but you know what to do with them. You know what you need to do.
I hope the guy fixed the cars as far as like assisting and holding.
Shh. That means you worked on them. Leave it at that. Okay, let's start this over. You're a pro.
Thank you.
Easiest way to get in the back of a truck. You got a tire. Yeah, the clips are kind of a little pain. Break this, it's a very tight clip.
There you
There you go. That dog. If you wonder what that dog in the background is, it's our pit bull Diesel, who's very
You got separation anxiety. Give him a break.
big time. Oh, it's horrible. Big little baby. Or giant baby is what he is. So it doesn't have that gasket on it. It doesn't have this on the back.
Yeah, it does.
It does?
Yeah.
Are you positive?
Yeah. I checked it. There's a gasket on the back.
I didn't see one.
Yeah, there is.
Okay.
I promise people there are a gasket. There is a gasket on the back of the truck. It's light.
But it doesn't freaking.
Yeah, it's in there.
Okay.
So.
So
Oh. Yeah.
there you go. Okay. Good.
Okay. So I'm gonna have Sean jump in. He's gonna go ahead and just cycle through all the lights in the backs to show you that they all work. Look great. God, it really changed the looks on this truck.
Dirty already, just from us moving around.
You want to wait until we get this thing cleaned up and waxed. This thing is going to be beautiful. Get a new blacked out bumper on the back of it.
Oh yeah. Road Armor style bumper. Same with the front. Lights in the front.
Gonna look
We'll
nice.
finish it off. Really nice.
We did good.
High five. Good job.